Artificial intelligence, AI, has rapidly changed the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. It has the potential to transform almost every industry, from healthcare to finance, and is already revolutionizing the way we communicate and consume information. The impact of AI on society is widespread and multifaceted, and its effects will only continue to grow in the coming years. In this video, I will try to delve into the many ways in which AI is affecting our lives, exploring the potential benefits and drawbacks of this rapidly developing technology. From the rise of automation to the impact of AI on our personal and professional relationships, we will explore the ways in which AI is shaping our future and what it means for society as a whole. Even if it could sound strange, the concept of AI has been around for thousands of years and has been referenced in various myths, legends, and works of fiction. For example, in ancient Greece, the evidence for the idea of creating artificial beings with human-like abilities can be found in various myths and legends, like the legend of Hephaestus, the Greek god of blacksmiths and metalworking, who created automatons to assist him in his work. These robots were said to be capable of moving on their own and performing tasks, showcasing the idea of creating artificial beings with functional abilities. Anyway, the formal birth of AI as a field of study can be traced back to a seminal paper written by computer scientist John McCarthy in 1956. McCarthy, who is often referred to as the father of AI, organized a conference at Dartmouth College that brought together some of the top computer scientists of the time together with cognitive psychologists, who were interested in exploring the possibility of creating intelligent machines that could think and reason like humans. The conference, which was held in the summer of 1956, as I said, marked the beginning of AI as a field of study. The participants of the conference defined AI as the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. At the time, the field of computer science was still in its infancy, and the technology available was limited. However, the participants at the Dartmouth conference were optimistic about the potential of AI and believed that it was possible to build machines that could perform tasks previously thought to be exclusively the domain of humans. The Dartmouth Conference marked the first time that the term artificial intelligence was used, and it was there that the field of AI as we know it today was officially established. One of the first successful experiments in AI was done by British computer scientist Christopher Strachey, who wrote a program that could play checkers in 1952. It demonstrated the feasibility of using computers to perform tasks that previously only humans could do. In the years that followed, other AI researchers began experimenting with more sophisticated programs that could perform tasks like playing chess and solving mathematical problems. However, these early experiments were limited by the technology of the time and faced many challenges, including a lack of processing power, memory, and knowledge about the domain. Despite these challenges, these early experiments were crucial in laying the groundwork for the development of AI as we know it today. They provided a foundation upon which future researchers could build and led to the creation of more sophisticated programs that could perform increasingly complex tasks. In the 1960s and 1970s, AI experienced a period of rapid growth and development, but also faced setbacks and criticism. One of the biggest failures of this period was the AI winter, a period of reduced funding and enthusiasm for AI research that was caused by overpromising and underdelivering on the part of AI researchers. During this period, funding for AI research declined significantly, and many of the leading AI companies of the time went out of business or shifted their focus to other areas. Some experts also argue that this period was marked by a shift in focus away from general AI systems that were meant to mimic human-level intelligence, and towards more narrow AI systems that were designed to perform specific tasks. The AI winter lasted several years and had a lasting impact on the field. Many researchers and scientists became disillusioned with AI, and it took several more years for the field to regain its footing. Despite these setbacks, AI researchers continued to work on developing new and more advanced AI systems. In the 1980s and 1990s, AI experienced a resurgence of interest as researchers developed new techniques for machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics. The development of new and more powerful computers allowed AI researchers to tackle more challenging problems and make significant advances in the field. During this period, researchers continued to work on improving existing AI technologies, such as expert systems and natural language processing, and developing new ones, such as neural networks and genetic algorithms. Some of the most notable AI projects during this time included the development of speech recognition software, the creation of the first expert systems, and the advancement of machine learning algorithms. One of the key factors that helped AI to advance was the development of faster and more powerful computers. With the rise of personal computers and the widespread availability of computer networks, researchers were able to run more complex AI algorithms and experiment with larger datasets. This led to a number of breakthroughs in the field, including the creation of the first intelligent agents, the development of decision tree learning algorithms, and the creation of the first commercial neural network software. Today, AI is a rapidly growing field with a wide range of applications, including healthcare, finance, education, and many more. AI systems are now being used to diagnose diseases, improve financial decision-making, and even drive cars. As AI continues to advance, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. Some applications of this technology that we are already using every day are customer service. AI-powered chatbots provide quick and efficient customer service 24/7, improving customer satisfaction. Transportation. AI optimizes routes for vehicles and reduces traffic congestion, making transportation more efficient. Environmental monitoring. AI helps monitor environmental changes and track the impact of human activities, leading to more sustainable development. Improved accessibility. AI technology makes products and services more accessible for individuals with disabilities or for those in remote areas. Better decision-making. AI analyzes large amounts of data and provides insights and predictions that can assist in decision-making. Personalized experiences. AI can be used to create personalized experiences for consumers, such as personalized product recommendations or personalized advertisements. Regarding the last application, one of the most advanced AI that we use every day without even knowing is YouTube. YouTube's algorithm is a complex system that utilizes artificial intelligence, AI, to recommend videos to its viewers. The algorithm's primary objective is to increase engagement and keep users on the platform for as long as possible. Over the years, the algorithm has become more sophisticated, and today it is one of the most advanced AI systems in the world. One of the key components of the YouTube algorithm is machine learning. Machine learning is a type of AI that enables systems to learn from data and make predictions. In the case of YouTube, the algorithm uses machine learning to analyze the behavior of viewers, such as the videos they watch, the time they spend watching, and the comments they leave. Based on this information, the algorithm can determine which videos a viewer is likely to find interesting. Another crucial aspect of the YouTube algorithm is the use of deep neural networks. Deep neural networks are algorithms modeled after the structure of the human brain that are capable of learning and making predictions. YouTube's algorithm uses deep neural networks to analyze the vast amounts of data generated by the platform's users, including video content, engagement metrics, and viewer behavior. The algorithm also takes into account other factors, such as the video's engagement rate, the number of views, and the number of likes, comments, and shares. These metrics help the algorithm determine the popularity of a video and how it is being received by the audience. One of the most significant advantages of the YouTube algorithm is that it can adapt and evolve over time. As the algorithm learns more about a viewer's behavior, it becomes more precise in its recommendations. This leads to an improved user experience, as viewers are shown more relevant and interesting videos that cater to their preferences. Also, other popular platform and social networks has developed similar AI programs to optimize their users' experience. Another amazing application of present time is OpenAI's GPT-3, Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3. It is a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI, a leading AI research organization. It is the largest language model developed to date, with over 175 billion parameters. The creation of GPT-3 began in 2018 with the goal of advancing the state of natural language processing and allowing machines to better understand and generate human-like text. OpenAI trained GPT-3 on a massive corpus of text data, including books, articles, and websites, to allow it to generate text that is similar to what a human might write. GPT-3 works by using a transformer architecture, which is a type of neural network designed to process sequential data, such as text. During training, the model is exposed to a large amount of text and learns to predict the next word in a sequence based on the words that came before it. This allows the model to generate coherent and contextually appropriate text. GPT-3 has been trained on a diverse range of tasks and can perform a variety of language-related tasks, such as answering questions, generating text, and even writing code. Its advanced capabilities have made it the focus of much research and development in the AI community. The evolution of artificial intelligence is having a significant impact on society and is poised to shape our future in many different ways. AI technology has the potential to automate many manual tasks, which will free up people's time for more creative and fulfilling activities. This has the potential to lead to increased productivity and economic growth. AI also has the potential to enhance healthcare by enabling doctors and researchers to analyze large amounts of data and develop new treatments and cures. For example, instead of spending hours performing routine tasks like data entry or report generation, workers will be able to focus on more complex and creative tasks that require human intelligence and problem-solving skills. This will not only improve the quality of work, but also create new job opportunities that require human skills that machines cannot replicate. This will have significant implications for improving efficiency and reducing costs in businesses and institutions. AI will also play a critical role in the creation of new products and services that were previously unimaginable. With AI's ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, it can identify new patterns and insights that can lead to innovations that improve our lives. As I said, there are, however, some human activities and skills that cannot be replicated by AI, and these are the ones that people will have more time and calm to spend on, increasing the general quality of products, services, and daily life. Here are some examples. Creativity. While AI can generate new ideas and products based on existing data, it cannot replicate the human ability to create something new and original from scratch. Emotional intelligence. AI lacks the ability to understand and interpret human emotions and cannot respond to them in a meaningful way. This makes it difficult for AI to work in fields where human interaction is important. Intuition. AI is limited by the data and algorithms it is programmed with, and cannot make intuitive leaps or judgments that go beyond this information. Common sense. AI is only as good as the data it is trained on, and lacks the common sense that humans use to navigate the world and make decisions. Physical dexterity. While AI can perform many manual tasks, it lacks the physical dexterity and adaptability of human beings. This makes it difficult for AI to perform tasks that require fine motor skills, such as sewing or woodworking. As it is easy to understand, AI is likely to become even more integrated into our daily lives and will change the way we work, communicate, and make decisions. AI has the potential to help solve complex problems in fields such as climate change, energy production, and transportation. On the other hand, there are also concerns about the potential negative impacts of AI, and it is very important to try to analyze them. Is it true that I said that AI could free people time, but that could also mean job loss? In fact, as AI continues to develop and become more capable, it has the potential to replace human workers in many industries. While automation has been a part of human progress for centuries, the scale and speed of job displacement that could occur with AI could be unprecedented. This could result in significant economic disruption and social upheaval. Another potential negative impact of AI is the loss of privacy. With AI systems becoming increasingly sophisticated, there is a risk that personal data could be used in ways that individuals did not intend or expect. For example, facial recognition technology could be used to track individuals without their knowledge or consent, while algorithms could be used to make decisions that affect people's lives without their input. Another concern is the potential for AI to reinforce existing biases and discrimination. AI algorithms can be trained on biased data, leading to discriminatory outcomes in areas such as hiring, lending, and law enforcement. There are also moral implications associated with the development and use of AI. For example, if autonomous vehicles are developed that can make decisions about whom to save in a potential accident, how will those decisions be made? Will the car prioritize the safety of the occupants, or will it consider the safety of pedestrians and other drivers as well? These ethical dilemmas need to be carefully considered, ensuring that the development of AI is aligned with our values as a society. As AI systems become more advanced, there is a risk that they could develop their own goals and values that may not align with those of humans. This could lead to ethical conflicts, particularly in areas such as autonomous decision-making and the development of AGI, artificial general intelligence. In order to protect ourselves from the risks and negative impacts of AI, there are a number of steps that can be taken. First, we must prioritize transparency in the development and use of AI. This means ensuring that individuals understand how their data is being used and what decisions are being made based on that data. We must also ensure that AI systems are developed in a way that is aligned with our values and that they are subject to ethical guidelines and oversight. Another way to protect ourselves from the risks of AI is to invest in education and training for workers who may be displaced by automation. This will help ensure that individuals have the skills and knowledge needed to succeed in a changing job market. In conclusion, the development of AI has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of human life, but it also carries significant risks and negative impacts. As such, it is important to approach AI development with a responsible and ethical mindset, with a focus on transparency, accountability, and fairness, rather than stopping it. We can harness the potential of AI while minimizing its risks and negative impacts, ensuring a better future for all.